Aspirator Kids Nasal Aspirator Reusable Snot Sucker by Aspirator Kids is one of the best sellers among baby nasal aspirators products. Easy to use, the aspirator has an easy flex bulb that compresses with minimal pressure. Easy to clean, the aspirator's components fully disassemble and are dishwasher safe for simple cleaning. Child safe, this aspirator is designed with your child's safety in mind. Large capacity bulb removes boogers easily. Quality design, product has a quality design for repeated use. Aspirator Nasal Aspirator. Nasal aspirator, this baby booger remover is designed to help clear mucus from your infant's nose and make breathing easier. It has an easy flex bulb and a removable tip for simple cleaning. The main features of the nasal aspirator include easy use, easy flex bulb compresses with minimal pressure applied, easy to clean. Components of the aspirator disassemble completely and are dishwasher safe for simple cleaning. Child safe, the aspirator is designed with your infant's safety in mind. About Aspirator. Aspirator is the leader in easy-to-use medication management products. Many of the manufacturer's push-button pill planners are endorsed by the Arthritis Foundation for the manufacturer's ease-of-use design. Aspirator's products make living healthier simply easier with products like pill cutters, pill crushers and a full line of easy fill planners.